You're going to be getting a Sharpie and a square paper. Remember, Sharpies are permanent, so there's no erasing. So once it's down, it's down. So we're just gonna make it work, even if it's not something we love. Okay, we won't rip up our papers or anything. All right, our first step for our cupcake, we need 2 diagonal lines on the bottom half of our paper. So I'm gonna make a dot about halfway into the side, and then it needs to make a diagonal. You can see it was a little shaky. So beautiful, oops, and I fixed it. Okay, diagonal, which means it's not straight up and down, it's to the side, it's tilted, going down. Okay, I want to do the opposite. So around the same spot, over. Okay, so that's around the same spot. He's gonna go towards my other line. So my 2 lines go towards each other at the bottom. Okay, then I need to connect with a curve. So not completely straight, but a curve. Okay. All right, we just learned about lines. We are gonna use a zigzag line all the way across. Okay, keep your zigzag kind of spread out rather than scrunched real close to each other. Perfect. And now at the bottoms, I'm gonna draw lines that go down. So not the tops, just at the bottoms, okay? Not the top, but the bottom. I draw straight down to the bottom line. Perfect. Now it's time for the icing. I'm gonna do 2 curved lines, 1 at each side, curved. And then I'm gonna do another curved line. And then I'm gonna do my top. So what I like to do is like a swirl. So it goes up and then back in. Okay. So now you can make some decisions on your cupcake. You could add some like sprinkles. I just do little squares or rectangles. You could add a little candle. So I do that by a big rectangle with a small line. Maybe some diagonal lines through it. Okay, if I want a fire, I'm gonna do kind of like a little raindrop. If you want a table in the background, you could do 2 lines. I could draw a line all the way across from my 2 curves.